Alright guys, 2014 BMW 640i. The belt came off. Make the story short, we replaced the belt, but the customer also complaining about the massive oil leak. So we did the diagnostic. That oil filter housing is leaking. It tends to leak. So we got that gasket right here. Just in order to do the job, you need to remove the intake manifold just a little bit, because it has got 3 screws. One here, the other one is here, and the other one is here. It goes from back, and this is type of a screw that you're gonna take it off and use the E10, the female star one. For the back one, the tricky point is, let me put the light, this hose right here is going to be on your way, so you cannot use that kind of socket. What I did, use the small wrench, 8mm, and you can grab it just like that, just like that. You can go to it right here, as you see. There you go. Okay, there you go. And then you're gonna break it loose from here. Then that's the airbox. You need to disconnect that sensor, the map sensor. Take it off. Take all the screws, maybe about 8 of them or 11mm, around the intake manifold. Just do not disconnect any wire or any hosing, just the charging hose from the intake. Take it off. Take off the push it back the intake and push it, a little bit toward the firewall. And then you're gonna access that E55, 1, 2, and the other one is this one going from the back. And you don't need to lose that hose, then you're gonna lose a lot of antifreeze. There you go. This is the gasket right here, as you see, and this is the new one. I'm gonna replace it with the new one. And it's always a good idea to replace another gasket right here. It's very easy since you have it. 1, 2, 3, and this is the other one. It came together. Put it back together, tie it back, and reverse the procedure. Put back the intake manifold, tie them out, make sure everything tied back up. In case if you did lose some kind of coolant, you make sure to top it up. And if you don't lose that hose, you don't need to do the bleeding procedure. That is it about. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.